In our first video, we explained how Otto can help you in your process. Now we will walk you through the different contract options. Choose the right package for your process and get Otto on your team. Otto allows an unlimited number of registered vacuum pumps and, with the advanced package, also unlimited users. Real-time remote condition monitoring allows you to keep an eye on multiple different parameters wherever you are. You choose between the Bush Vacuum app or the dashboard on your computer. The dashboard is also where you'll find your monthly report, see your vacuum pump's performance, a record of all notifications, and a list of action suggestions. You'll get a copy by email too. If something goes wrong, Otto will make sure you know about it. You'll get an alert via the app and dashboard and by email, and you can check if the situation is already under control. The app and dashboard will let you know if the alert has been read by another user. Time for preventive maintenance, Otto will tell you. Get a reminder by app in the dashboard or straight to your inbox. Free up time to focus on your core business while Otto keeps an eye on your vacuum supply. Find out more on our website and learn how Otto Digital Services can optimize your process.